Today we're going to talk about 8 survey websites that actually do pay out. These are not bogus websites. These are tried and tested, and here they are. We're going to get straight into it right now. Taking surveys online, guys, is one of the quickest ways to get some income going, get some generation of income going, and today we're going to review 8 sites that you can do these on. So the first site we're going to talk to is a site called Survey Junkie. A lot of people will probably know about this site already. It's one of the more popular survey sites. So here we are on the home page of Survey Junkie. Shape products and services that are meaningful to you. So you take surveys, you build your profit, and we'll match you to surveys. We build your profile, earn rewards, and get paid. You can see some reviews here. Get rewarded for your participation. Our rewards program offer popular gift cards, cash outs via PayPal. So you have Amazon gift cards, PayPals. Make a difference to the consumer. Your opinion can change the products of tomorrow, today. Very catchy. So try it now. So this is one of the better survey sites, guys. That's Survey Junkies. Again, it's free to join. Just log in, fill out some details, and start taking surveys. So, like I say on a lot of these videos, if this can help somebody, if it helps one person on the way, then I'll be very happy. So that is Survey Junkies. The next site is a site, again, you'll all be probably familiar with, is a site called SwagBox. Here you can see SwagBox. We've paid out SwagBox.com. SwagBucks.com. We've paid out our members over, what's that, 198 million pounds. How about that? So you can sign up, or you can sign in with your Facebook, as seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, The Huffington Post. Free gift cards and cash for everyday things. You just earn points and then you redeem it via Starbucks cards, Amazon cards, or PayPal. They're giving out 7,000 free gift cards every day. Again, you see profiles here, ways to earn. You can watch videos, you can answer surveys, discount deals, you can buy gift cards. SwagBox is great. Again, it's one of the bigger sites. Just log in here and away you go. Let's just click on the watch videos here. Just give it a second. There you go. Trash news, surveys, police aren't all bad. Normal change, odd 911 calls, beer in the news, coffee news. So again, if you log in, you can start earning SwagBox points and you can get gift cards. So that's SwagBox, guys. Another very good website for doing surveys. So if you were to use Survey Junkie and SwagBox in unison, or even 2 or 3 the rest of the sites that we're going to talk to, again, they'll all add up. So the next one is Vindhya.com. Get paid to take surveys online. Vindhya is a secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. It's free to get started. You can watch a video. Just check out the site. It's Vindhya.com. Fairly straightforward. Easy online surveys. Millions paid out. Real money. It's probably not as big as the last 2 sites, but it is definitely a site worth looking at. You can take paid surveys. You can share demographic information about yourself, and Vindhya Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you with new surveys come in that you qualify for, getting paid for your opinion. So on political survey you get $10, electronic survey you get 14, and a fashion survey is 2. So stick to those electronic surveys. You do a PayPal payment, and you redeem your earnings by check or by PayPal. Vindhya members have already earned over $6 million, so almost $7 million there now. It's free to get started. And survey topics, you can see them here: cars and trucks, politics, sport, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and travel and leisure. That's VindhyaResearch.com. Definitely worth checking that one out, guys. The next one we're going to talk to is SocialISay.com. So this is a massive website, believe it or not. Share your opinion with ISay and earn rewards. We're an online survey rewards community with over 3 million members, celebrating the power of voice. So you can choose the reward that's perfect for you. take surveys and earn points that can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, and enter our contests for additional chances to win. Marks and Spencer's, Tesco cards, and virtual prepaid MasterCard. View all rewards there. You could be the next contest winner. Over 10,000 have already won, so that's probably a side bonus to taking the surveys. Explore polls and create your own. Explore polls, there you go. So you can sign in up here. Again, that's iSay. So that's actually a tricky enough website. It's socialisay.com. But again, I leave these websites in the link down below and you can check them out yourself. So the next one we want to talk to is MyPoints, MyPoints.com. So share your opinions and earn rewards. Introduce yourself, tell us a little about yourself. Receive surveys, we'll invite you to take new surveys. Earn points for giving honest answers, and then redeem your points for gift cards from your favorite brands. It's that simple. So get Amazon gift cards, get what you want. Or if you don't want anything on Amazon, just get something from Amazon and then sell it on eBay or sell it on Amazon, whatever you want to do. So you can see there's a shop, deals, coupons, surveys, again videos, travel and more. How MyPoints works. You can shop online, you can get a score, local deals, you can read emails, share your opinion, you can watch videos, discover content, find deals, search the web, print coupons, play games, refer a friend, you get gift cards, cash, travel miles. So that's mypoints.com. Check it out. There's loads of stuff on this website, guys, so it's definitely worth looking at. The next one we're going to talk about is Pinecone Research. Influence tomorrow's products today. It's kind of like one of the previous sites, same kind of logo. So here you go. The website is www.pineconeresearch.com. So you can log in up here. Earn points for every completed survey. Redeem points for cash or prizes. Learn about products before they hit the market, and influence which products make it to the store. So head over to Pinecone Research, log in there, and again they'll send you some surveys. You can see it under About page here as well. Pinecone Research is a trusted leader in voicing the opinions of consumers worldwide. Companies are seeking your input to develop new and improved products by completing online surveys. Your opinions will directly influence tomorrow's products today, and you will be rewarded. So that's Pinecone Research. Check that one out, guys. The next one we want to talk about is the Survey Club. Survey Club is one of the older survey sites. More than 16 million members on 6 continents. It's surveyclub.com, established 2005. You can be a participant or a business. Features studies. There's a $115 food survey. There's a general opinion survey, and there's a buyer survey. Browse studies by states. About Survey Club. Survey Club was founded in 2005. The goal of helping people make some extra income by participating in market research. If you want more information, yada yada yada, contact them. How Survey Club works. It's a research recruitment platform that companies and organizations use to find out what consumers think about their products and services. So you create an account. It's very same as all the rest of them, guys. Tell them about yourself, they'll match you to the studies, you take part in the studies, and then they'll pay you. So again, if you can link all these sites together, you should have a steady supply of surveys coming in all the time. It doesn't take long to do most of these, so check them out. The next one I want to talk about is MySurvey. That's mysurvey.com. Make money online, get rewarded for your opinion. Discover the power of your opinion with MySurvey to be rewarded with points. You don't need any special skills or qualifications. Turn your opinions into points. You might be surprised to find out how many global brands want to hear your voice. They find their consumers' opinions more valuable than anything else, and they want you to reward you for your time. This is a great way to be rewarded, and we would never ask for your credit card details, so don't fret. It's a totally free way of making some extra dough. They have great rewards there. The choice is completely yours. Our rewards catalogue is filled to the brim with vouchers with well-known brands such as Amazon and Starbucks. You can also redeem your MySurvey points with PayPal or other products. So again, try it out. as I say guys, if you can put these websites all together, you'll have a steady stream of surveys coming into you, which will mean a steady income just for your opinions basically. So go back to Survey Junkie here guys, because that's nearly the biggest one. But have you guys used any of these? Leave a comment down below. Also, if you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I'm going to leave a couple of videos up at the corners here for you. I think you'll enjoy them. Check those out, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.